Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make your Discord account more private by changing a few important settings. If you use Discord for servers, direct messaging, gaming or communities, there are some default settings you really should not leave on. So in this video I'll walk you through the exact settings to change step by step. Step 1, we want to open Discord settings. So to do this you want to open up Discord and then go to the bottom left corner and you want to click on the gear icon next to your username, and this will open up user settings. This is where we are going to make all the privacy changes. Step 2, turn off direct messages from server members. So on the left hand side I want you to select content and social, and then scroll down to social permissions and you will see direct messages. If this is turned on, people and servers you join can message you more easily even if they're not your friend. So for better privacy, turn this off. This will help reduce random messages, spam and unwanted contact. Step 3, review message request and spam settings. So while you're still in content and social, look for any settings related to message requests, spam filtering or safer messaging. So if we scroll up, we will see direct message spam, and by default it's filter from non-friends. So you want Discord to filter suspicious or unwanted messages where possible. So you want to choose a more private option or stricter option if one's available, and I am going to select filter all. Step 4, turn off personalization settings. So in the menu at the left hand side, I want you to select data and privacy. And here you will see how Discord uses your data. So use data to improve Discord. We're going to disable that. Yes, I'm sure. Use my Discord activity to personalize sponsored content. We're going to disable that. Use data to personalize my Discord experience, and we're going to disable that. And yes, I'm sure. If you care about privacy, you want to turn these off. These settings are not needed for normal Discord use, and turning them off limits how much of your activity and account data is used for personalization. Step 5, check sensitive content filtering. This is a setting that can filter explicit media and direct messages. And to change these, we can go over to the menu at the left hand side and select content and social. And here you will see sensitive content filters. This one depends on your preferences. For most people, I would leave the safer option enabled. Step 6, we're going to limit who can send you friend requests. And to do this, you want to go over to content and social, and then you want to scroll down until you see friend requests. Now for better privacy, I recommend turning off everyone. And also if you're in a lot of public servers, you may also want to turn off server members. This makes it harder for random people to reach your account. If you're finding these walkthroughs helpful, please consider subscribing. I post simple privacy guides like this showing the settings and tools that can reduce online tracking. Step 7, turn off activity visibility. Discord can show other people what game or app that you're currently using, and if you do not want Discord broadcasting that information, we should turn it off. So to do this, go to the menu at the left hand side and you want to scroll down until you see activity privacy. And in here it says share my activity. We're going to disable this. And I'm also going to, where it says automatically share my activity when joining a server, I'm also going to select do not share. This gives other people less information about when you are active and what you're doing. Step 8, we're going to review your profile and account visibility. And to do this, you want to scroll up to the top at the menu at the left hand side and select my account. Now, this part is not always about a single toggle. It's about checking how easy it is for other people to identify you. For example, look at your display name, profile details, or anything that could connect your Discord account to your identity on other platforms. A simple privacy improvement is using a neutral display name and keeping your profile details minimal. Step 9, we want to remove old authorized apps. And to do this, you want to go down to authorized apps in the menu at the left hand side. And authorized apps are third-party apps and services that are connected to your Discord account. And this is one of the most important settings to review. So there's nothing showing on mine, but if you go through the list carefully, if you see anything you do not recognize, no longer use, or no longer trust, remove it. The fewer apps connected to your account, the better. Step 10, we're going to review connected accounts. Now, I want you to go to the menu at the left-hand side and scroll down to connections. Now, this is where Discord can link to accounts like Steam, Twitch, YouTube, Spotify, Xbox. You get the picture. These connections can reveal more about you than you think, and they can expose usernames, platforms, and online habits. So, review each connected account, and if you do not need it, disconnect it. And if there is an option to display it publicly on your profile, turn that off unless you actually want people to see it. Step 11, check voice and video privacy. So if you use Discord for calls or voice chat, then go to voice and video. Scroll down and you'll see it here. And in here, you just want to check your microphone input and your camera settings and make sure you're not sharing more than you expect. If you do not use video, keep camera access limited. And if you want fewer accidental audio leaks, I would scroll down and I would select push to talk. It's usually better than leaving the microphone open all the time. Step number 12, turn on two-factor authentication. Finally, go back to my account and we're going to enable your two-factor. So if you scroll up to the top and select my account and scroll down here, you will see password and authentication. This is more about security, but it still matters for privacy because if someone gets into your account, your private messages and account details are no longer private. So you want to turn on two-factor authentication and store your backup codes somewhere safe. So those are the Discord settings that I would change first. Discord works fine for most people by default, but the default settings are not always the most private. And a few quick changes can reduce unwanted messages, limit account exposure, and give you more control over your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.